Part A then of question 8. We've got a polynomial px cubed minus x squared minus 31x plus q. It has x plus 2 as a factor, so that's good. So the factor theorem will give f of minus 2 will be 0 when we put it in. When the polynomial is divided by x minus 1, the remainder is minus 36. So that's good. The remainder theorem then, when we put f of 1 in for x, we'll get the value of minus 36. We need to show that p is 6 and q is minus 10. So here, the factor theorem, f of minus 2 equals 0. So put in minus 2 here. So you've got p times minus 2 cubed minus bracket minus 2 squared minus 31 times minus 2 plus q. All that equals 0. So let's write down what that means then. This is a minus 8, isn't it? So that's minus 8p. This is 4, so it's going to be minus 4. Basically 3 minuses flying around there. Minus times minus is a plus. 2 31s are 62. And then you've got plus q. So what have we got then from that? Well, let's just tidy it up, shall we? We've got minus 8p plus q. And I'm going to move the 62 minus 4 is 58. So move that to minus 58 on the other side and label that as number 1. Because it looks like we're going to get a pair of simultaneous equations, doesn't it? Now the next thing, the remainder is minus 36 when divided by x minus 1. So also f of x minus 1, so that would be f of 1, wouldn't it? F of 1 equals minus 36, wasn't it? So f of minus 1 is 36. F of 1 is minus 36 rather, so let's put it in. So we've got p, then we've got 1 cubed. So because it's just 1, I'm just going to write it down in one fell swoop. P times 1 cubed is 1, so that's just p. Minus 1 squared is minus 1. 1 here, minus 31 times 1 is minus 31. And then we've got a plus q. And that equals minus 36. So let's tidy that up then. So that implies that we've got p plus q. And then we've got minus 32 here, see it? Move that over to plus 32, and then it's 32 minus 36, which is minus 4, and that's number 2. So can you see that we've got two simultaneous equations? If we take one from the other, the q's will disappear, and if we take 2 minus 1, that will become a plus p, which is what the most convenient way around to do it. So 2 take 1 gives... So this take away that, p take away minus 8p is plus 8p, 1p plus 8p is 9 lots of p, q take away q is 0, and then we've got minus 4 take away minus 58, so it's 58 take 4 is 54, which looks good, doesn't it? Because it's going to work out nicely. So that implies then p equals, move the 9 from times to divide, or divide by 9 both sides. 9 6s are 54. So you get 6. P is 6, and now use the easier one of the two to get q. So q is here. So by 2, q equals then, it will be minus 4. Just move that p over to be with the minus 4, so it's minus p. So it's minus 4 minus the value of 6, which is p. Minus 4, take away another 6 is minus 10. So q is minus 10 and p is 6. And that's part A done. Great.